Oh, hello guys, welcome to our next online video lesson with me, Teacher Morgan. It is Unit 5 lesson number 12. We're getting so close to the end. We only have 3 more lessons of Unit 5 and then we'll move on to Unit 6. Anyway, let's go full screen, get started. As I told you in the last video, today we're doing your workbook, so you need to get your workbook today. We're going to go through it together so that you're able to do the pages that I want from you this week. It's going to help you get through it. I'm sure you can do it by yourself, but this is just to help. Anyway, Unit 5, lesson number 12, on time. Let's just go through everything. You know it already. I know you know everything about Unit 5 already, but let's just go through it one more time. Okay, these are your questions. What is the time? What time is it? What is the time? What time is it? And we're just looking for the hour and the minutes. What's the hour? What is the minutes? Okay. So, and here's our question from Unit 5. What time do you? Or what time does he? Or what time does she? Okay, we've got this do, and do is related to verbs. Verbs are things that you do, okay? Verbs are doing words, okay? Actions, things you do, okay? And here are your 6 verbs from Unit 5. What time do you get up? What time do you go to bed? What time do you eat breakfast? What time do you eat lunch? What time do you eat dinner? And what time do you go to school? Okay, so these are your 6 verbs from Unit 5. Okay, next up, we have, let's do our answers. Let's go over the answers. What time do you get up? So we have our verb, we have our clock, we take our pronoun first. You changes to I do what? I get up. What time do you get up? I get up at 6:20. I get up at 6:20. Easy peasy. Okay, next one. What time does he eat lunch? Okay, let's see. What time does he eat lunch? He eats lunch at 11 o'clock. He eats lunch at 11 o'clock. Okay, next, and remember to add an S. Just remember to add an S to the verb. He eats lunch at 11 o'clock because the pronoun is he or she. Okay, and remember this. When you're adding the S, sometimes it's not S. Sometimes you add ES. When do you add ES? If the word ends in S, X, Z, CH, SH, or O, then you add ES instead. Okay, let's go through your advanced level now. Let's see if you remember this. Okay, remember, right-hand side of the clock, we're saying past. Left-hand side, we say to. We're going to the next hour. Okay, so 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past. Then at 6, it is half past. Then 7, 25 to, 8, 22, 9, quarter to, 10, 10 to, 11, 5 to, then we go back to 12, we're back at o'clock. Okay, what is a quarter? Remember, 4 equal parts, 4 slices of the pizza, 1, 2, 3, 4. One of them is called a quarter. That is a quarter. Okay, now we know half. What is half? Here is your half. 2 halves make a whole. There's 1 pizza cut in 2. Just cut in the middle, 2 slices, and that's a half. Half a pizza. Okay, so this is how it works. We have 9 o'clock, then it goes to past, quarter past 9, then we go all the way around. That's half past 9. There's your half. Half past 9. Now we're past 6, so it's quarter to now. So it's quarter to 10, and then all the way back up to 12, and now it is 10 o'clock. Oh my god, it is getting dark in here. You can still see me. Okay. Okay, oh my god. My room is so dark now. Okay, where are we? What's going on? Okay, yes, it is workbook time, guys. As promised, it's time for your workbook. Okay, and what page, I hear you ask? Page 52 and 53. 52 and 53. And here is what they look like. Here is 52 and 53. And let's go through it together. Okay, let's look at activity A to start off with. It says read and connect. Read, so read and connect. Okay, connect. So first, let's do number 1. It says, I get up at 7:30. So we're looking at the verb get up. Where is get up? Do you see get up? Is this get up? Is this get up? Is this get up? Or is this get up? Where is get up? Oh, here it is. Here, there's get up. So what you need to do is draw a line from here through the maze to get up. Okay? Now we're going to the time. We need to know the time. And the time is 7:30. Where is 7:30? Do you see it? Here it is here. 7:30. So again, we just draw the line. Let's draw the line through the... Oh, yeah, here it is. 7:30. So let's just draw a line from here to here. So I get up at 7:30. I get up at 7:30. I get up at 7:30. Okay, so that's activity A. Draw a line to the verb and then draw a line from the verb to the time. Okay, next one. Look and check. Look and check. So check just means tick. Check, tick. Okay, so let's look at the clock. Big hand is pointing at 12. Small hand is pointing at 2. So what is the time? Is it 12 o'clock or it's 2 o'clock? Well, the small hand is pointing at 2. So it's 2 o'clock. So check, tick, tick the box. Let's do number 2. What time is it? Okay, so let's look at the clock. Is the answer it's 12:15? Or I eat lunch at 12:15? What's the answer? Well, the question is what time is it? I'm not asking about lunch. I'm not asking about what time you eat lunch. I'm not. It doesn't say anything about your lunch. I just want the time. And the time is 12:15. So tick. Okay, that's 1 and 2. You can do number 3 and number 4 by yourself. Okay. And last part is activity C. So what you need to do, in the green box, it says look and write, okay? So in the green box here, we have your answers, okay? So you have to use the answers in the box to fill in the spaces, okay? So what time do you eat dinner? So we're looking here for number 1, okay? What time do you eat dinner? She's saying to him, what time do you eat dinner? Okay, and he's thinking, this is him eating dinner, and this is the time. So what do we say? You changes to I. So I do what? I eat dinner. I eat dinner at. I eat dinner at what time? 5:30. So where is it? I eat dinner at 5:30. There it is. So let's put it in. I eat dinner at 5:30. That's the answer. Okay, next one. What time is it? Okay, so now she's here. She's pointing at the clock. She's pointing at the clock. She's saying, what time is it? What time is it? So let's look. Oh, okay, so I think small hand is at 5. Big hand's at 2. So that'd be, it's 5:10. It's 5:10. Where is it? It's 5:10. It's 5:10, and that's your answer. It's 5:10. Very good. Okay, so can you do number 2 by yourself? Here are your answers for number 2, okay? And that's you guys. When you're finished, can you send me a photograph or a scan or something of your work so I can see it? and I'll count that as your homework. Okay, so send me a photo of your completed work on the Patai e-learning platform, please. And that's you guys. Quick lesson summary. This is everything we know from Unit 5 so far. Your minutes, your hours, o'clock. Here's your question. Remember to add an S and remember to add an ES. That's all you've got to do. Okay, guys, thank you very much for listening. I will see you next week. Next week we have the unit test. Okay, so it's very important that you keep studying Unit 5. Even if you feel like it's easy, just keep practicing because we have the test next week. Okay? All right, guys, thank you.